Solo ne, single gini ne, video mana kita kali ni.
Ya, aku nak ini lagi nombor juga. Kamera tu lagi nombor juga.
Ada nombor siapa?
Terus satu tu. Kamera oke.
तो पिटावरा में अभी स्कूल छोड़ने का टाइम है कितना जाम लग गया है
Okay, which dance you perform? How was it? What's your name?
Vineet Singh.
Vineet Singh. What kind of dance you performing?
Yeah, Lai Haroba we have. Then in Manipuri dance we have. Why do you tell like this?
Lahira dance.
Lai Haroba dance.
Which school? Which school?
Godwin School.
Government school. Tell me your name.
My name is Pranav Brahma.
Okay, how is the dance?
Nice. I'm feeling good. My name is Sushant Singh. I think I have put my best effort to make it the best.
Okay.
My name is Krip Priyamjit Singha.
Okay. So how was the dance?
Dance was very good. Yeah, we need a lot of energy.
Okay.
It was quite good.
Thanks. What's your name?
My name is Priya Nandi and I performed Lai Haroba, which is mainly done by Meitei people, and the name of my school is Godwin School. Thank you. My name is Niharika Kolika and today we danced well and we enjoyed a lot while dancing. Thank you.
Thanks.
My name is Naitanja Miyapichanu and I am from Manipuri Lai Haroba.
Okay.
My name is Idea Singha. I performed the dance Lai Haroba in the role of my main Maiki. Thank you. My name is Mari and I dance Manipuri and I was role as Maiki. My name is Bharshita Das. I have done the role of Maiki and I was the mother god of the role. Thank you.
Welcome.
My name is Manish Kumar. I did in class 9. It was great opportunity to give a performance such a dancer. Thanks for principal sir.
Thanks.
Coming down, follow my lead. Coming down, follow my lead. I'm love with your body.
We are Godwin School students. We are from class 6.
Yes.
We are from class 6.
Yeah. Which dance you are performing?
Rock dance. Rock dance. Rock
Okay.
dance.
Which school? Which school?
Godwin School.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Sunny, okay. How was it? How was the dance? Nice! Which school? Okay, thank you.
Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy.
So today we had this school annual function organized by the school, and we plan to give the students the space and the time for them to show their talent. Otherwise, we are always confined to classroom teaching. So it is when we give them some chance to expose their talent that they come out, the real self in them come out, and this is the right place and the time when they perform in a carefree attitude, with a carefree attitude, and we also get to see the true color in them, true colors in them. And I am pleased with the performance of the students, and to my amazement they have done it very well, and the parents have also congratulated me for having organized the program. And in near future we plan to have more programs, because this programs also play an important part in the development of the child. It is not only the scholastic part, but the post-scholastic part, like the sports and cultural activities that complement to the growth of a child, and that gives a holistic approach to the system, to the education process. And this is how we build citizens for the country. And I was also happy when one of my students, passed out students from this school, I got a chance to introduce her to the parents, existing parents, because she represented the Northeast in the Femina Miss India, so Kiran Lashram. So it was also a great moment for me. I feel proud, and just recently I got to also know that one of my students, way back in 2003, passed out from the school. So he has also got a doctorate degree from a central university, Assam University, and done his research in a foreign land, most probably of Portugal. So these are news that encourages us, that inspires us to be great, to be good teachers, and to improve ourselves as teachers as well. Thank you so much for that.
Thanks a lot.
So it was nice meeting you in this event. So how was it?
The event was really great, and it's my school, of course it will be great, and the teachers and the organizers organizers are damn good.
Any message to the kids, small kids?
Yeah, I would say that just work hard, do what you wish, and what else? Enjoy your life. Don't take much hurdles in your life and just let go things. Yeah, that's all.
Thanks so much. And you?
Priyanshu Gogoi.
Akash Singh.
Akash Singh. How do you like this function?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Okay, next year what you performing?
Don't know.
Don't know. So what you perform today?
We
Prop
are
dance.
performing a prop dance.
Of dance. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Sir.
Your names?
My name is Priyanshu Das.
My name is Sunny Rongchi.
My name is Asim Pro.
Which standard are you?
7.
7, 8. Okay. So what are you guys performing today?
Hip hop dance.
Hip hop dance.
Yes.
Okay. Is it performed or yet to come?
No, yet to come.
Okay. All the best.
Yes, thank you.
She say nông thang she đã nghe lối là ngầm một cuộc đi. She say nông thang she đã nghe lối là ngầm một cuộc đi. Hình ngày giờ cũng she ai thật vô khăn thân lắm. Hình ngày
प्यार का तराना
the parents. Parents in such like they get to know what their children, since they have been sending their children with so much of hope in the school. So throughout the year, whatever they learn, now education is not only a thing which is in terms of bookish or in terms of academic. It has to be performed in the form of cultural as well as co-curricular activities as well. But the present education system, we only focus on the academic performance, whereas this is a platform where the students get an opportunity to showcase all the extra co-curricular skills that they have. So I believe like this kind of program is really important for the upliftment and the development of the students as well as for the society as well.
Thank you.